fitness means different things for different people. For some, it is a fight to fit into a summer swimsuit, while for others, it is trying to get the muscles to finally fill out that medium t-shirt. For some, fitness is a lifestyle. For others, it's a lifesaver. That's why we've put together the world's first optimal body weight system. A system that's tailored to help you reach your fitness goals no matter what they are. Meet OneFit. The products in the OneFit program have been formulated, tested, patented, and backed by clinical studies to show that with the right help, your goals are anything but out of reach. There is a saying, you are what you eat. That's not exactly true. You are what you assimilate. Most supplements don't absorb fully into the bloodstream on their own, and the body does not make use of the nutrients. Without some help, a good portion of your supplements and food go to waste. The OneFit patented Assimilation Enhancing System, or AES, uses a combination of enzymes and cofactor minerals to allow your body to quickly break down and effectively use all nutrients and supplements. And it's found throughout the OneFit product line. The first step in any fitness program is detoxification. OneFit Daily Detox is a unique and powerful blend of cleansing herbs that assist in the natural cleansing process. You've probably heard of someone doing a 30-day detox. They feel great for a few days. Then a few months later, they're in the same spot doing the same detox all over again. Your body is detoxing daily, so why not supplement it daily? Because the Daily Detox is a plant-based supplement, you can use it every day. OneFit Metabolize is packed full of enzymes, which are an essential part of any nutritional plan. The supplement is specifically formulated to break down foods with the emphasis on fats and lipids to help you digest efficiently and metabolize fat cells. Some days, you just need a boost. That's where the OneFit Boost jumps in. It's packed with powerful, clinically proven ingredients like green coffee bean, African mango, and green tea. This dietary supplement is specifically formulated to optimize energy levels and assist the metabolism. Then there's your OneFit Whey Protein Performance that's filled with 100% all-natural premium ingredients. Combining high-quality whey protein isolates, a full complement of amino acids, and our patented AES, OneFit will help you build a better body, maintain leaner muscle, accelerate recovery, and burn fat, all while supporting a healthy immune system. If weight loss is your goal, we also have the OneFit Whey Protein Weight Loss that combines those same high-quality ingredients with our cortisol-blocking Essentra Trim. The weight loss protein will increase your resistance to fatigue, stress, and tension while enhancing, restoring, and sustaining energy levels, as well as help trim down that belly fat. And finally, the OneFit Health Boosting Drink Mix keeps you energized and hydrated to help you reach your fitness goals. The drink mix contains high-quality ingredients in a powerful formula designed to amplify energy, boost metabolism, and suppress appetite. Any fitness program relies on you to make the change. Now, you can rely on OneFit to help you. Every day is another chance to change your life. Make today your day to live life to the fullest. Remember, health really is your wealth.